So basically, this area is like selling dried
Dried
fruits,
fruits,
spices,
spices, nuts,
wines, even
wine,
wine, and
some
those are
souvenirs.
locally produced.
Yeah,
Oh, I want to have like a green tea.
green tea.
Yeah, apricot. This apricot.
Where?
Coffee. Are those coffee?
Yes, different coffee.
Okay lang ba
Coffee.
mag-video?
Oh, okay lang. Kasi
What
nga,
What is this place again?
gum market.
Colorful.
Yes.
Nice. Look at those. Meat.
All net. Flip-flop. Yan. Cheese.
Sarala, say hi. Oh my god, those are mutton?
Don't know.
Ano to, Sarela?
Baboy yan.
Ito.
Baboy.
Dugo?
Ha?
Ba't parang
Mga baboy yan, oh.
sarap? May bulalo din.
Yes. Pero alam mo yung baboy nila dito, parang maanggo, parang amoy bot, yung lalaki.
So ano to? Pang laing?
Ha?
Ito pang
Ay, hindi
laing.
ko alam yung drugs ata rin siya. Kaya mga cold cut.
Hello. Nice place. Herbs. Look at this. Hello. Very colorful. Nice. Pickles.
Laki ng mga kalabasa, oh. Pang Halloween.
Pumpkin. At ang linis ng market nila Sirela. In fairness.
Hindi siya mabanto.
Yeah, it smells good. Where are we going after this? Spices.